All right, what's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dyno Trading, doing a quick July 4th holiday weekend video here for you on the swing trader. Um, Jesus Christ, I mean, look at this chart on the ES. It's official, man. I mean, we have hit 3,000 on the ES. Just, for those of you guys that trade futures, all right, and for those of you guys that trade the ES and the Nasdaq, just really think about this level here, the 3,000 level on the ES, and really take a minute to appreciate how powerful a trend can really be, right? If you remember the last weeks or so in June, I mean, everybody thought that this short signal here that showed up on June 25th, that was going to be like the start of the sell-off, and you can see exactly what happened here. 5 days later, June 30th, we get a long signal on the swing trader, right? We draw the high, we draw our lows, and there you have it, the retracement. And this is a rally that has been just too powerful to stop. This kind of enforces my theory and really confirms my theory that there's no force on earth that's ever gonna stop a trend. It's just not possible. You cannot fight the trend. I know a lot of you guys want to. I know a lot of you guys that are new to trading, you want to do that. It's human nature to try to call tops and call bottoms, but listen, guys, professional trading is not done that way. I think you know that, right? I think at this point, if you've been watching my videos and you've been staying in tune with the Dyno Swing Trader, you know that there's only one way to find long-term success, and that is by following the trend. There's just no other way to do it, guys. Anyway, this is going to be the final recap, wrap-up video on the Swing Trader. For those of you guys that have received your permanent license key per the terms of service, I hope you guys are enjoying it and kicking some ass with it. For those of you guys that never really got a chance to explore it or backtest it or take advantage of the heavily discounted pricing, I'll probably be extending that pricing out to you guys through this holiday weekend. You're going to have to reach out to me individually if you want me to honor the original discounted prices for the Swing Trader. But just to recap, for those of you guys that know nothing about the Dyno Swing Trader, once again, what this thing does is this is the daily version of the DYNOBARS. All right. There's an intraday version, which has been completely programmed and designed for intraday traders. And then this Dyno Swing Trader has been programmed and designed for longer term traders. Those of you guys that are looking to capture longer moves and bigger moves. All right. So let's just power through, some of these sample charts. This is the ES. I believe I have the NQ. This is my favorite. You guys know that. Here's the NQ. This is just going back to the last 2 months or so. We had the signal here on June 3rd. We had a short signal here. Let's just go ahead and try to timestamp this red bar here. June 21st, it looks like, this short signal. And then this long signal came in on June 30th, so 9 days later, right? And yeah, guys, I mean, again, if you remember the video I sent you guys, I was looking at kind of doing something like this. And I was thinking, all right, you know what? I really want to short the NQ. Like, I badly want to short the NQ right around here. And I chickened out, right? Because the Dyno Swing Trader was showing green, and it never stopped being green until, what is this, June 21st, right? This was when I took a stab at going short through options. And was in the money pretty quickly, and I chickened out somewhere around here, like sometime around the end of June. And then boom, right here, June 30th, we get a nice big green bar. And what do? You draw your high, you draw your low on the NQ Swing Trader, you look for the retracement. There it is, 77.50. That's 150 points up so far. And I mean, guys, you look at this chart. I mean, this chart looks like it's going to stay bullish, right? I mean, I know a lot of you guys want to short the NQ just like me. And I badly want to short the NQ. Like those of you that have talked to me on the phone, you know that I talked about this all the time. But doesn't this look like it could possibly go to 8,000, maybe even 8,100? Like, doesn't this move to 8,100? Doesn't that seem reasonable, right? So, I mean, just again, look at the ES, right? We're at 3,002 exactly on the futures, on the ES futures, right? If we squish this in, doesn't this one seem like it could go to like maybe 3,100? You know? So guys, this is what I mean about the trend will never lie to you. Okay? The trend is always going to keep you honest. And, once again, I'm in the same position that I find myself when I was looking at shorting the NQ over here. I really want to do it. And I know a lot of you guys want to do it as well. But until my swing trader turns red, okay, on the NQ, I am not doing shit with my shorts, right? And that is just me. You guys are welcome to do whatever you want, try to short a rising market, but that's just not the way to trade the swing trader, right? What else do we have here on this final video? We got crude oil. Crude oil gave us a nice short signal here. Let's go ahead and draw the high, draw the low. Let's see if we can timestamp this. This short signal came on July 1st, exactly. And the retracement happened on July 2nd. So you basically only had 1 day to get in on this short trade. Now, crude oil is kind of in no man's land because, could this be the start of maybe an uptrend? Could this be the start of a downtrend? And could it break the lows that we saw in early June? Or could it break the highs that we saw in May, right? So crude oil by the end of the year, I'm pretty sure is going to break 64 or it's going to fall below 51. That's just how it is with long-term swing trading. That's how you play your forecasts. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the ES on the swing trader, right? This is the NQ on the swing trader. This is crude oil on the swing trader. And I think we have a Forex chart for you as well. Here's the Euro USD. The most recent signal happened here, June 25th. Draw the high, draw the low. We got 2 retracements there, and this thing, ended up selling off. So, guys, at the end of the day, for those of you that are really, really interested in long-term trading, in swing trading, and potentially doing long-term forecasts, and even using options as a way to open synthetic long and synthetic short positions, I think you're going to find tremendous value in the swing trader. So that's the only reason that I'm sending out this final recap video, is because for those of you guys that maybe didn't get a chance to participate or didn't get a chance to really backtest and explore it, just get in touch with me on an individual basis. And I can't really extend another free trial because that wouldn't be fair to all my existing customers, but what I will do is honor the discounted pricing through this holiday weekend, which is going to be through, let's check out the calendar. Today's July 4th. What I'll probably do is hold the pricing through July 7th. No one's going to get the discounted pricing beyond July 7th. It just wouldn't make sense, and it just certainly wouldn't be fair. So, there you have it, guys. All right. We're entering the second half of 2019. I think Q3 and Q4 is going to be just amazing for both day trading and swing trading. I think there's going to be a lot of opportunities. And guys, like I said, on this NQ, I am staring at this thing on my swing trader every single day. All right? And I'm waiting for this thing to turn red. We don't know when it's going to give us a red bar on the swing trader, but I can tell you that I'm chomping at the bit to short this market. I mean, this is probably the most hated rally in the history of the market, right? Everybody that tried to short the NQ over here, or tried to short the market in general over here, you basically got your face ripped off, right? You only really had one opportunity to go short for 9 days, right? And then boom, a long signal printed, and it was off to the races. So take some time this long weekend to really, decompress from the market, put together a good game plan for your trading, become diligent, become disciplined in the second half of 2019, and really stay focused on your trading. And of course, always, always, always manage your risk carefully. All right? As if I have to say that. If you can do that, you're going to do really well. And guys, I'm always here for you as a resource. All right? So never hesitate to get in touch. All right? Thanks for watching this final recap video on the Dyno Swing Trader, guys. Have a great July 4th holiday wherever you are. And as always, best trading wishes.